Welcome back to Dolo's Garage. We already got done putting the stage 1 performance aspect on my Predator 212 Hemi motor. Today we're going to be putting on a pod, cold air intake. We're going to be rejetting the carb, taking the carburetor apart, putting a new main jet in and new stem as well. And we're going to also be putting on the cold air K&N air filter. So that would be like a stage 2 performance add-on for this here motor. So as you can see, we got the exhaust already put on. This gives more exhaust flow coming out of the engine. It's no longer restricted. This was the old exhaust. As you can tell, it is the Hemi, and we took this off to put on the aftermarket exhaust, which looks pretty fucking awesome, not for nothing. But this whole assembly right here is going to be coming off. We do have, like I said, the K&N air filter that's going to go in with the main jet, new stem. So ultimately we're rejetting the carb. So stay tuned as we put all this fun stuff together. Alright, so what we have here is the adapter for the cold air intake. Okay. I'm going to have to flip that pin in order to be able to adjust the choke properly. And as you can see on the top of the box, taped to the top of the box is a new jet, new stem. This here is my K&N style air filter. Go Power Sports naturally. So stay tuned as we remove this air box and put in the new pod. Alright, so here's my new main jet and stem, and we're going to be removing that old one out of the bottom of my carb stem. I just took the bowl off. Brandy new, as you can tell. Nice and fucking clean. No sludge in that bowl. So that's where we're at. We're going to replace the main jet and stem. We'll go back. Alright, and that's been completed. This is my pod. Looks pretty cool. Okay, with the exhaust. Now we're gonna start her up and see what happens.